In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on YouTube Watch History. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app, and then tap at YouTube profile picture, and then tap at your data in YouTube. On the next step, if you are doing it for the first time, it may ask you to enter your Google email and the password to get access to that settings. And once you are in settings, you can just scroll down until you find YouTube Watch History. As you can see, for now it's turned off. You can just get into it, and on the next step you will be able to turn it on. Just hit at that button, then scroll down to make turn on button active, then just tap on it. Got it. As you can see, I have just turned on saving of YouTube Watch History. Also, from here you can set up auto delete feature. You can get into it, then select auto delete activity older than, and then select 3 months, 18 months or 36 months. And then also you can manage YouTube Watch History. You can just get into it, and then if you want to remove some particular watched video from your history, you can easily do that by hitting at that cross icon. Also, from here you can bulk delete your search and watch history. Just hit where it says delete, and then select delete today, delete custom range, or delete all the time. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.